Right, afternoon, just a quick unboxing today. 4 items, one from Temu, one from Amazon, 2 from Amazon, 1 from Temu, and 1 from Aliexpress. So we'll do the small bag first. I have got more stuff coming tomorrow, and I have got some interesting, well, I'll say it's interesting, but I've got some tools coming probably within 1 to 5 days, because I only ordered them today, and I'm not going to tell you what they are. I can tell you that I had one before, but I've looked everywhere for it, practically everywhere, and I can't find it. And I reckon my sister Denise took it when she came down to do some sorting out for me when I was in hospital with a back infection. Because 2 items, big heavy items, ain't where they were. One was in the cupboard, that's not there, and one was in the kitchen, and that's not there. So, and she was in both areas at the time, so I just don't know where it is. So one of them I'm not going to worry about at the moment, but the other one I thought I might just order something similar to it, and I'll tell you more when it comes through the post, because it has got some interesting attachment to it. If I was on another particular streaming site, I would have probably showed you it, but I'm going to keep it until it turns up in the post. Right, well, we've got some of these little phono plug things, because I actually ordered some of these antennas. These knives are getting blunt. So yeah, I ordered some of these small antennas, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm hoping that these are going to be the right ones. Don't matter if they ain't, because I've got other type. So that is going to go on to my new style REM pod when I get around building one. So that will be stuck in a box like that, and it'll be easy to unplug instead of like keep breaking the antenna. I do have smaller ones of these as well, because I ordered 2 packs of 10 of these ones. And then I ordered a smaller set of these ones. So you can see the difference between these. These are bigger. Now, I didn't know if these are going to fit or not, so no, they didn't. So luckily I bought the bigger ones as well. But you never know, I might be able to find something for these to be useful. I think these are the same type actually. Yeah, so I bought 2 of those and 2 of those, and then I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these antennas. That's 12 antennas, and I do go through antennas quite a lot. So that's that one. Let me just get a little box to stick them in. Oh, I've got one open. Right, so all these antennas going in there with these adapters. So I've got to make a label for that later. Throw the rubbish down on the floor for now. This one came from Temu and it was only like £4. And I was wondering that I was going to get scammed, thinking it might just be the box, but it's not. It is an actual item, which it says is an item. And I ordered the green one, and I realised yesterday when I was looking, that's the green socket, just a green box. And I think I've got one up here actually. Yeah, I've got one up here, and I didn't even realise I had it. See, that's what I mean. Like, I'm always buying stuff and not looking around to make sure I've got a set first, because this one is open, that one ain't opened. So the green one will stay sealed. If I need a socket for anything, then I'll use this one. Dropping stuff already. So yeah, that green socket set was about £4 from Temu. It said it was on the way last week actually, but I think it was a slight delay. I don't know why, but it took longer to get here than it did for my other set of screwdrivers I bought. So I ordered them both on the same day, and one of them was able to ship it out on Saturday, while the other company with a socket set didn't ship it out until Monday. And they come through tracked, so they can't be making a lot of money on them unless it's like a clearance or something, because you know, a socket set for about £4, you know, raw mail ain't that cheap. You know, so even if they charge like £2 on postage, that socket set must have only cost about £1. Right, so I have been saving these bags, but I'm not going to bother anymore. Right, you know, not the bigger ones. Right, this one is from Amazon. I think I know what these are. Oh, actually, it's the that. I bought another one of these. I have got one, but I don't know where it is. And I've got the bigger one down beside me, the 5.5 kilo one, which I bought from Lidl's for £20. This was about £3 or £4, I think, off Amazon. So I have got one, but where it was or where I put it, I don't know. And as I say, the only reason I bought it is if I'm just doing like minute, small connecting kind of things, or you know, like a very small piece of sanding or whatever, and I can stick it on here. But I really don't know what I've done with the other one. I just keep losing stuff all the time. You know, I'll put it somewhere, then I'll go and lose it. I'll probably put this somewhere in a minute and go and lose it in 5 minutes. So that will go there for now. And the last package, this I know, is they should be pads. I think. Well, no, they ain't pads. So what's these then? Don't tell me I've ordered the wrong fucking things. Oh no, this is a measure thing. The pads will come tomorrow, I think. Yeah, I bought one of these. because when I'm cutting stuff, I do tend to like make it a little bit off angle, and my table sometimes isn't like straight, which it is actually now. Yeah, anything I've got cut on this side because the table is practically nearly dead angled. Yeah, I think it's because yeah. So I ordered some pads for this because the one here has got like a real big cut hole in it. Now I'm hoping that the ones I've ordered are going to fit in here. I tried looking for the glass, can't find them anywhere. I have seen a couple of sellers on eBay selling this machine, and I asked if he does any spares. They said no, because the company that actually done this, Glomax, went under last year, and it's going to be very difficult to get parts of them. I have seen one of these for £54 on eBay, I think it was. Actually, it's $57.99, but I had an email message saying that the sellers reduced it down to 54. Now I'm not going to buy another one of these because I've got this one over there, and I've got a bigger one over there. And the face shield for that one over there, I had it on this table the other day, and would you believe I've lost it? It's gone for a Burton again. But those ones, I think, are easier to get, the face shields for those than for the one down there on the floor, which I'll just put back on the floor. But I'm not saying I won't, and I'm not saying I will, but I might buy another one. So I was going to get one with a sander. So yeah, the two stone and polish, and this one you can actually take off, but I think it's like the bolt is kind of jammed on, hasn't been used for a good few years. But you can actually take this off, and then you can actually put a sanding pad on here. But the thing I've ordered, which will come next week, has a sander on it. So I do want to still take this off because I don't use this at all, this Dremel bit. So I have Dremels, which are more easier to hold and use than that one. So that is what I've got through the post today. I was going to buy two of these, but I think this was like about £6 or £7 on Amazon. Let me just quickly check. And if I get them on Temu or Aliexpress, they are more half price. Yeah, this was like nearly £7, £6.87. So, and this is an Amazon basic one. The other ones that I saw were, well, the ones I saw were cheaper, but I didn't have the tape measure thing on it, the measuring guide. So, yeah, I thought I'd just like get this one for now. I do have like this small one here. So, that's still okay to use if I need to use it. But this one is actually off shape because that is not giving me the correct setting on here. Yeah, it's not giving me the correct setting. If I turn it at an angle, and it's giving me like dead level, but if I turn it around, it's moved over. This one's dead centered. Now, if I move that over here, it's dead centered, while that one is just slightly dead centered. So, yeah, I've done those at the table. So it's dead centered there. And it's nearly dead centered there. If you turn it on an angle, then it is more dead centered. But if I'm going to do any cutting, I'm going to have to put like something on the computer desk and try and get it at a proper angle. But when I get the new item next week, which you'll see it being opened and probably put together, that'll be an interesting video. You'll see exactly what it is, and I can tell you how much it is. I can say on Amazon, the item I ordered from Temu on Amazon, it's like $68.99, nearly £70. But I got it on Temu for how much was it? And it's the same machine as well. Yeah, that's a clue. It's a machine. On Temu, it was $53.36. So 50, 60, something, about £30 discount. You know, yeah. And it's the same damn machine than it is on Amazon. Same machine. And not only that, I did buy something else which I didn't expect to buy, but you know, you never know when you need it. That's the problem. Like, you know, I may never need it. I may not never ever use it, kind of thing. Like some of the tools I've got, I've never really used them. Like that ratchet set up there. I bought another one thinking that I haven't got one. And well, actually, I do have another one, but it's like parts missing from it. And that box is in the living room. It's a bigger box because it's a ratchet set and screwdriver set combined. Some screwdrivers are still there, and some of the ratchets are still there, but not all of it. That's why I bought that one up there probably a couple of years ago, and then like I didn't realise I had one up there because my brain doesn't function properly, and I thought like I don't think I've got a complete set. I'll buy one. So I ordered one on Temu, and it's only just now I got up and looked, and it's a bloody ratchet set from like a couple of years ago, which I never used. So I've got two ratchet sets. Now the thing is, those ratchet sets are pretty cheap. I mean, pretty cheap. So about £4. And I was thinking like buying a couple and giving them away as like birthday gifts or something, or Christmas gifts, because I know that they will probably go up in price later. No, I do not want to put that there. I want to put that here, so I know where the damn thing is. No, I bought the power station and the solder station. I've not even used that yet. So I've just been too bloody tired and exhausted and things like that. Later on, I want to sort that out over there where that saw is, and I've got to move all that out of the way, again, because the plug socket for that desk thing, sander, I think whatever you call it, I can't remember what you call it now, but the plug is stuck down there somewhere. Same with that saw over there. Now I was actually going to give that to my nephew because I wasn't really using it, but I'm glad I didn't give it to him now because the plug socket is stuck somewhere and I don't know where the plug is, why it's stuck, and I don't even know if I've got a plug socket over there to even use it. So if I can release and get the plugs out of there, if I ever need to use that, I'll have to run an extension cable, and that's another thing I'll have to buy is another extension cable. But anyway, so I should have some more stuff to unpack tomorrow from Aliexpress, I think, and Aliexpress and Amazon. I've got 2 different packages coming from Aliexpress, and I think 3 different ones from Temu, and 1 from Amazon. Now the Amazon one will turn up tomorrow. They might get 1 from Aliexpress tomorrow, and I might get 1 from Temu tomorrow. I don't know. Let me just check on Temu. I know 1 is only been packed and shipped out from Temu, and that's got 5 items. The other one, a single item, has actually reached the delivery hub and should be here tomorrow, I think. But that's only like a drill set thing. Because when I'm like making holes, you know, I don't have screw bits, which is big enough to make the hole in. So sometimes I have to like cut around, and my cutting is really bad. So these ones are like trapezoid dial drill bit set, metric and imperial, whatever the fucking hell it's called, and that cost me £5 something, because I've got a discount on that one, 40p discount, and it's an 8-piece kind of set. Now I do have 1 bulky heavy one, but that's a bit too big, so I've ordered these ones. 8-piece imperial dial component, black round head, and it's made out of cobalt. It says 50 different size countersink drill bits, multi-function drilling tool for construction, woodworking and timber. So that, as I say, was originally £6.11, but I got it for £5.45. So, you know, you are saving a little bit of money, but not too much money. I wonder that would go up there with that falling down. Yeah, that would do it up there. But anyway, that's it for now, guys. Come back on tomorrow. I don't know what time I'll be on tomorrow. Depends on what kind of packages turn up. I nearly missed this package actually today, like the Royal Mail one, which had the Aliexpress and the Amazon one, because I was trying to catch up with some of the sleep that I didn't get last night. I had another bad night of sleeping last night, so so I'm not, you know, too tired. Then I'll get on and do a video. I've got things to open up. But I've got to start sorting out over there later. I've got like a bin bag in my pocket ready to go, but I'm still a bit tired at the moment, so I'll tackle that later on this afternoon, probably. If I start it today, I don't know yet. But anyway, cheers for watching, and I'll catch you later. Don't forget, just like, share, subscribe if you've not already done so. Leave a comment, but no nasty ones, because they'll be deleted and you'll be banned from the channel. So cheers for watching. Catch you later.